So, ingredients natin for the oatmeal with mixed grapes and honey. So, meron tayo ditong oats. Meron din tayong 3 cups of water. Then, powdered milk. Then, meron tayo ditong mixed grapes. And then, yung honey natin. So, first, lagyan natin yung ating water. And, yung ating oatmeal. Oats. So, yung oats natin ay, for 3 cups of water, kailangan 1 cup of oatmeal lang. So, pakuluan lang natin siya. Continue lang natin siyang i-stir para hindi siya dumikit. So, pagkatapos pakuluan, isalin natin sa isang bowl. Then, doon sa bowl natin, lagyan na natin yung ating milk, powdered milk. So, haluin lang natin siya. So, yung for prenatal milk, 4 tablespoons of prenatal milk ang ginamit ko. The next, lagay na natin mixed berries natin. Mix. There. Okay, ready to serve ng ating oatmeal with mixed grapes and honey. Enjoy, guys!